Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Charles Schwab for stocks. First, you will need to open a brokerage account, which can be done online or by visiting a branch. Funding your account is straightforward, with many accounts requiring a minimum of $0 to begin. Once your account is active, take some time to explore the Schwab website and mobile application. These platforms offer a wealth of resources and tools to help you get started on your investment journey. Now that your account is ready, let's dive into finding great investment opportunities. Charles Schwab provides extensive research tools, including analyst reports and screeners, to help you identify potential stocks. You can filter companies by various criteria such as industry, market capitalization, and key performance metrics. Accessing real-time quotes and historical data is crucial for making informed decisions. Take advantage of these resources to thoroughly evaluate your options before investing your hard-earned money. Once you have identified a stock you wish to purchase, it is time to place your trade. Schwab offers various order types, including market, limit, stop, and stop limit orders, each serving a different purpose. You will need to enter the stock's ticker symbol and the desired quantity of shares. Always review your order details meticulously, including the price and total cost, before confirming your submission. This careful approach helps ensure your trade executes exactly as intended. After placing your trades, the journey continues with monitoring and managing your investments. Charles Schwab provides tools to track your portfolio's overall performance and the progress of individual holdings. You can set up customized alerts for significant price changes or important news events affecting your stocks. Periodically rebalancing your portfolio is a smart strategy to ensure it remains aligned with your long-term financial goals and risk tolerance. Consistent management is key to successful investing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.